It's Christmas time here at Tokyo Disney Resort, and you know what that means? New Christmas merchandise, so we're gonna go check it all out. I love this time of year so much. But before we do some shopping, just look at this Christmas tree. That is, it just puts me in the spirit. Oh, I'm seeing cute stuff already. Look at this, Mickey and Minnie, Christmas 2025. Look at the little reindeer. How much are they? How much are you? You are 5,500 yen. It's just so pretty and soft. They're so soft. Ooh, I love it. That's quality right there. Oh, look at the cute ring. There's 2 colors. 2,500. Oh, they're keychains. I love that. That is so cute. Oh, I love that they're leaning into these so much. Oh, look at the pins on the back. That's so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I kind of want them. Oh, look at Pooh, 2,300 yen. Oh, there's a bigger version of him. Hello, hi, Pooh. Oh, we love you. 4,500 yen. It's so soft. Ooh. What's this? Oh, it's like a rubber holder case. That's nice. 1,500 yen. There's also hand cream. 2,400 yen. What's this down here? Is this it's like a muffler, a scarf thing. How much are you? 3,300 yen. That is too cute. Oh, a cutlery set. Ooh. 2,200 yen. Oh, come on. What is this? A stainless steel mug. Container, water bottle, 3,800 yen. Ooh, this is ceramic. Or melamine, I think, probably. 2,200 yen for a tray. That's really cute, too. Oh, we have some postcards, or a postcard, 300 yen. I like that. That is really nice. Nice and simple. Oh, we have a little Tomika, the Western River Railroad, 2,800 yen. Oh, ball pens. Those are really cute, too. 1,600 yen. Why is this stuff so cute? Oh, blind box keychains, 900 yen each. Okay. There's a secret one, but they never show you what the secret one is. Well, I love my boys there. Or you can buy the full set. I guarantee you get them all. There's 6 in total. It is 5,400 yen. I like that they added these screens here. I think they're really cute. Look at the little ring. Oh, look at this light. But, how much are you? 2,700 yen. Okay, I see you. That's fun. Cute little toy. And over here, we saw this already. Oh, look at the mitts. Oh, they're a little coarse. They don't feel soft. 3,300 yen. Probably soft on the inside. Oh yeah, they're nice and soft on the inside. Hello. Oh no. Look at them. Look. Oh, that is too cute. How much are you, buddy? You are 33. 45. Oh, okay. Sorry. That is so adorable. I want it. I want them. We got some earmuffs. Earmuffs are 3,600 yen. Oh, we have a sweater. 7,000. And it's ladies cut, it says. And it's one size, ML. I don't know if this would fit me. I just think those are so cute. That's so good. Oh, we got some mini ears. Some nice fluffy mini ears. How much are you? 2,400 yen. Oh, is this a hair clip? Yes. 1,800. Oh, that is so good. Why is this stuff so cute? Oh, we got some socks. Oh, fleece socks. Who doesn't love fleece socks in the wintertime? 2,200 yen. And if there's anything you see here that you like, please tell me in the comments. I want to know. Oh, it's a cushion that you can sit on. When you're waiting for a show or something, on a hard bench. That's what it looks like. Look at a ring. Why say ringling? Ring. 2,500 yen. We have a face towel. I always love that they show you what the design is on there. How much are you? 2,000 yen for that. There's the creams again. These little mini towels. The designs. 2,000 yen. Oh, look at the tissue box. 3,900 yen. And what is this? Futon cover? Or just a blanket? 7,700 yen. Yeah, it's a cover. That's really nice. It's my boys. Look at them. in their outfits. I think this is from the new parade. 4,200 yen. Look at them. Look how cute they are. We got Donald. These are little keychains, plush keychains. 2,800 yen. Donald, and we got Mickey. 2,800 yen as well. We got Minnie. It's a very pretty dress. Oh, they have two versions of Mickey and Minnie. Oh, this is the small version of the big plush we saw at the beginning there. Is this 2,800 yen as well? Yes, it is. Kind of like this more, honestly. And then we have Minnie. She actually looks like she's popular. 2,800 yen. Oh, it's frilly. Oh, I do like that. That's very pretty. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a hat. It's a fluffy hat. Oh my goodness. It's little mittens. You can't wear them, but they just, like, they dangle. Oh, that's fun. It's Minnie. Disney Christmas. That's cute. 3,200 yen. That's really nice. I like that. Let me put you back. Now we have some more postcards. Aha. Tokyo Disney Resort. 600 yen. Oh, I like that. Oh, my clear files. There's two? Yeah, there's two in this one. Oh, it has DisneySea and Disneyland on it. That's nice. So they'll have this at Disneyland and DisneySea. 900 yen for that. They have a pin. A nice event pin. 1,400 yen. Is that going up again? I don't remember. Prices are going up everywhere. A little can badge. 600 yen. What is this? Oh, medallion book. That's a cute design. Oh, and it has the Christmas one in there already. That's fun. 2,000 yen for that. And then right here, another Tomika of the Resort Cruiser. So the bus, 1,700 yen. Oh, is this a woven badge? Yeah. 1,000 yen. Oh, that's nice. It's like a little wreath. We have the little drawstring pouches, 900 yen. So one side and the other side. That's cute. Ooh, hair clips. Christmas ones too. Well, I don't have enough hair to use them, but those are really adorable. 1,600 yen. We have a leisure sheet mat. Again, you use these when you're waiting for the parade. You sit on the ground. 1,000 yen. Since I'm over 40 now, I'd probably get the cushion instead of this. But that's just me. What's over here? And a washcloth. Wash towel. And there's the design right there. Oh, that's nice. I guess it's meant to look like a calendar. 1,200 yen, like an advent calendar. I think that's what it's going for because I see a 25 on there. Oh, and then we have a mug, a ceramic mug, 2,200 yen. Oh, this is nice too. Oh my goodness. 3,400 yen. That's really cute. That's really pretty. Yeah, it's like a woven thing. Oh, they have the wreaths back. They always have a wreath, the big wreath. 4,000 yen. I don't think the design has changed at all. They are nice. I like that they have them as options. 2,000 yen. So they don't normally sell like ornaments in here. You're gonna find that in the glass shop inside Cinderella Castle. They have ornaments year round. We don't have a Christmas store. And the glass shop at DisneySea is in the Arabian coast. So you can get ornaments there as well. Custom ones. Oh, that's fun. 2,200 yen. I thought it hit Annie Mouse for a second. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. This is fun. I've seen this design before, but it's like the Christmas version of it. 1,600 yen for that. And we have some more mini ears. Oh, that's pretty. 2,600 yen. It's like a little scarf, a woven scarf. That's nice. I'm gonna do some shopping and then head on over to the Disney store in Ikspiari. On my way over to the Disney store, I decided to pop into Bon Voyage, which also carries Tokyo Disney merchandise, and I saw this. Oh my goodness! I think they're gonna have this at Disneyland as well. I just happened to not see it. 1,200 yen, clear files. Look at them. Yes. So we have the Christmas version of the Country Bears happening right now. Oh, and postcards. Oh, 2,000 yen. Those are so good. There's also Omiyage, which is lovely. So it's all like food souvenirs. So this is hot chocolate. So there's 6 bags in there for 1,400 yen. And the marshmallows look like Mickey's. The packaging is always so cute. What are these? Little crackers, I think? 1,000 yen. Look at this little ring. Oh, that is so good. Oh, they're little cookies. Yeah. And then up here, we have a variety of sweets. So cookies and cakes and stuff. There's 60 in there for 2,000 yen. And this is a cardboard container. Cute. And over here, we have little chocolate crunches with the bag. There's 24 in there for 2,000 yen. You get to keep the bag. Love it. We love it. And we have some cookies and chocolates, 13 for 1,800 yen. Look at that. All individually wrapped. And this is a tin. Merry Jolly Days. That's nice. Another tin with cookies. Oh, look at that. 10 of them for 1,200 yen. It comes with a nice tin. We love a tin, don't we all? Little tin with chocolate, 16 in there for 1,300 yen. It has like a matte finish to it. Kind of like that. I stopped buying tins because I have so many of them, you know. There's only so many that I need. But they are useful to put stuff in. Ooh, these little gummies, 15 in there for 1,000 yen. Again, matte finish. These must be gummies. Oh, they're apple flavored. We have a box. This is cardboard full of assorted rice snacks. 1,800 yen, so 45 little bags in there. Kind of see them here. Different rice crackers. And we saw that already. Over here, little mini churros, 16 for 1,100 yen. Individually wrapped. And look at the shape of Mickey. And the box itself, which is cardboard, looks like a churro. Oh, I like the design. Illustrations are really cute. Also here in Bon Voyage, they have all the Christmas merchandise. So you don't need a park ticket. You can come in here and get yourself some Christmas merchandise. Okay, we're gonna head to the Disney store now in Ikspiari. Now we're outside the Disney store here in Ikspiari, and they have this Zootopia 2 Christmas tree. Look how fun that is. That is so cute. Love it. Oh, I love that. That's really nice. Is that Perry as a gingerbread man? That's a keychain, 1,600 yen. Oh, look at Stitch. 3,000 yen. That is really adorable. 600 yen for a little tote bag. And there's a bigger one down here, 1,100 yen. These are nice, like nice and simple. I like that. Little ornaments. I'm guessing there's chocolates in these. How much is this? 800 yen. Yeah, there's candies inside. And then here, little cute Christmas tree, 3,300 yen. Oh, it's all like chocolates and stuff. Okay, the candies. All right, little cookies in there, 650 yen. Oh, and a tin, 1,400 yen. Advent calendar, 4,000 yen. So that's the tin. That's really nice. And this is the, what are these little cookies? Oh, and here's the Advent calendar. That's big. Oh, what are these? Oh, chocolate crunch. 1,900 yen. Oh, look at the cute Mickey. Oh, how much is this? 5,000 yen. Oh, how much is this? 1,800 yen. Look at the cute little Donald. Love it. And we have Minnie here. Oh, she looks so pretty. How much are you? Sorry, Minnie. 5,000 yen. We got Angel and Stitch. What are these? 3,300 yen each. And a Mickey pillow. How much is the Mickey pillow? 5,500. And we got a little blanket here. I can't see a price. It's probably like 4,000 or 5,000 yen. Oh, look at the Christmas ornaments. That's expensive. 16,000 yen. That's pretty though. 3,000 yen. 75. I like that one. My boys. 3,300 yen. Oh, a little Christmas tree. 75. That's a lot. Oof. Oh, a tapestry. Oh, and there's lights in it. Okay, that's fun. Don't know how much it is. Disney store stuff is always hard to find prices. 3,800 yen. Okay, tree set. So it's down here. That's nice too. I already have a Christmas tree, so I do not need another one. 8,500 yen. That's what comes inside of it. Oh my goodness. This is coming out on November 18th. Oh, look at that. That is so adorable. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it. 4,400 yen. Ooh, look at Eeyore. Oh, he turns inside out. That's 3,300 yen. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. That's weird. That's kind of weird. Oh, and there's a bigger version of it too. Okay. 4,400. Say they were piglet. Okay. 3,300. That's okay. That is very odd. Oh, cute little patch, 900 yen. This is oh, cute little keychain, 1,200 yen. Little mascots, secret mascots. Okay, they're 1,100 yen. That's cute. Ah, that's what they look like. Oh, they're like inside of each other. Oh, what a weird thing. Oh, sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Sorry about that, buddy. 3,300 yen. Oh, is this Marie? Oh no, I thought it was Marie. No, it's. 4,200 yen. What is this? Bag. 4,900 yen. Oh, look at this cute thing. 3,300 bag. Wristband thing. 2,800 yen. bought some slippers. 4,000 yen. Before I tell you what I bought, I want to tell you about our guidebooks to Tokyo Disney Resort. We have 2 of them. One is a guide that shows you everything you need to know to plan your trip to this wonderful resort. What hotel to choose, which one is right for you, how the vacation packages work, what to eat, how the app works, making reservations, even specific Japanese phrases for the resort. It has everything you need to know. We've helped thousands of explorers plan their trip. And I've met so many explorers that just swear by our guides. It has made their trip. And then we also have a smaller guide that is about the snacks. So it is a little snack guide that helps you decide what snacks to try because there's just so many. And these are snacks that are usually available year-round. So you can check them at our website at TDRExplorer.com/books, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. I wanted to show you what I got. So I got this bag from Tokyo Disney Resort. It's 1,200 yen. And this is great for carry-on to put like whatever you don't fit in your suitcase. If you don't want to get an extra suitcase, this is a lot more affordable, I think. So I think getting this is a really good idea. And they always have one for the season. If you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know. And you ask for it behind the counter when you're paying for everything. So I did end up getting a little ring. I got the blue one. This is gonna go on my Christmas tree, I think. I think that's what's gonna happen. So cute. I mean, you knew I was gonna get the clear file. You absolutely knew that was gonna happen. There was no way that was not gonna happen. And I also got, stuck in the bottom. I got the postcard and the other postcards. I love these. Yeah, this is perfect. I've slowed down on buying plushes just because I have so many of them, but I've been putting ones that I've had for a while onto my Christmas tree. I think that's a good way to use them, I think. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Out of all the merchandise I showed you in this video, what would you buy? Please tell me in the comments. I want to know. I'll have another video up there for you so you can plan your trip to Tokyo Disney. Bye, explorers. Happy holidays.